This thing do you dread more than you did know. Today is the day you tackle it so.
Hi everyone, welcome back to Creatively Crafted Life's Spring Clean Challenge. And today we are tackling the thing we most dread cleaning. And in my case, it's this door. I never use this door. I don't know why anyone would really want to put this door in this bedroom. I guess the idea is that you walk out first thing in the morning and enjoy the fresh Los Angeles air. I'm not sure. I have two other patio doors that lead out to the same patio. It just seems kind of silly to me. So I made the choice to put the shelf in front here, so you really can't open it. And then usually I have a couple carts that live here as well. So it's a bit of a pain to get at. The door is very poorly sealed, like very poorly sealed. And I mean, you can see up here at the top. And by the way, this is a judgment-free zone. You see how big of a gap there is there. This is a judgment-free zone. I'm telling you this because this door is disgusting, and I know it, and I should have tackled it before now. But it is what it is, and you get to see it in all its glory. So if nothing else, maybe it will make you feel better about your space. So these blinds are really dirty as well. I don't know if I can pull these out. Usually I just clean them in place, but maybe I can pull this off. If I could, that would be great. So we'll see. We'll see what I can do. Okay, I'm not going to show you me trying to clean this. I don't have the space to set up a tripod or anything, but I am just going to take some good old soap and water and wipe everything down. There are windows behind here, so I will do, you know, my window trick with the special microfiber cloth. Okay, so hopefully you get a full sense of how disgusting this is. So hopefully when I come back and you see the after, you will be suitably impressed. Okay, let me get this done. I have no idea if you'll be able to tell the difference with the lighting in here, but the door is clean, the blinds are clean. It was a pain, just like I remembered. I was not able to take the blinds off. At least I couldn't figure out how to take them off, so that made it even more difficult. But it's done, and I feel good about it, and that's the key, right? Let me know below what your most dreaded item was, and if you managed to conquer it with today's prompt. I'd love to hear about it. And until next time, happy cleaning.